Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video we are going to learn to knit this easy beautiful lace stitch pattern. You can use this pattern in your ladies cardigan, sweater. Wrong side looks like this. Wrong side is all purl rows. You will purl all stitches for every wrong side rows. See, so this is only 8 rows repeat pattern, and you will need to cast on multiples of 8 plus 1 extra stitch and 2 edge stitch. Multiples of 8 plus 1 extra stitch and 2 edge stitch. So let's begin. So for the demonstration I have 19 stitches on my needle, which is 8 plus 8 16 plus 1 extra stitch 17 and 2 edge stitch 19. So row 1 right side, knit your edge stitch and start the repeat from here. For repeat pattern, knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, knit 4 and then yarn over SSK, yarn over SSK, slip 1 knit twice, slip 2 knit twice and knit these two together through the back loop, SSK and then knit 2, 1, 2. That's the repeat from here to here. Knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, yarn over SSK, knit 2. This is the repeat pattern, and you will repeat this repeat pattern for however many repeat stitches you have. We have one more repeat. Repeat that again. Knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Knit 4, yarn over SSK, knit 2, 1, 2. That's the repeat. Sorry, we have done 2 repeats from here to here, and your last 2 stitch, knit 1, edge stitch, knit 1. Row 2 wrong side. For row 2 and for every wrong side rows, purl all stitches. Row 3. For row 3, slip your edge stitch and start the repeat from here. Knit 2, knit 2, knit 2 together, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over and then SSK, slip 1 knit twice, slip 2 knit twice and knit these two together through the back loop, SSK and knit 1. That's the repeat from here to here. Knit 2, 1, 2, knit 2 together, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, SSK, knit 1. This is the repeat pattern. Again, knit 2, knit 2 together, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over and then SSK, knit 1. And your last 2 stitch, 1 extra stitch and 1 edge stitch, knit 1, edge stitch, knit. Row 4 wrong side, purl all stitches. Row 5. For row 5, slip your edge stitch and start the repeat from here. Knit 1, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over and then SSK, slip 1 knit twice, slip 2 knit twice and knit these two together through the back loop, SSK and knit 1. That's the repeat from here to here. Knit 2, 1, 2, knit 2 together, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over and then SSK, slip 1 knit twice, slip 2 knit twice and knit these two together through the back loop, SSK and knit 1. Row 5. knit 2 together, yarn over, and then for these 3 stitches we're gonna do SK2P. SK2P means slip 1, knit twice, knit 2 together, and pass the slip stitch over this knit 2 together, like so. That's the SK2P. And then yarn over, right, yarn over here and yarn over here, SSK. That's the repeat from here to here. Knit 1, knit 2 together, yarn over, SK2P, yarn over, knit SSK. Again, knit 1, knit 2 together, yarn over, SK2P, slip 1, knit twice, knit 2 together, and pass this slipped stitch over this one stitch, knit 2 together over this stitch, and yarn over, SSK. And your last 2 stitch, knit 1, edge stitch, knit. Row 6, purl all stitches. Row 7, slip your edge stitch and start the repeat. First knit 2 together. Before you start the repeat, knit 2 together, and now start the repeat from here for repeat pattern. Yarn over, knit 1 3 times, yarn over, knit 1 1, yarn over, knit 1 2, yarn over, knit 1 3, yarn over, knit 1 3 times. One more time, yarn over, and then SK2P. For these 3 stitches, SK2P. Slip 1, knit twice, knit 2 together, and pass over, SK2P. That's the repeat from here to here. After this, knit 2 together, here to here. So for repeat pattern, we have done yarn over, knit 1 3 times, yarn over, knit 1 1, yarn over, knit 1 2, yarn over, knit 1 3, and then yarn over. This is the repeat pattern. Repeat that again. You will repeat this repeat pattern, and after you finish all repeats, we don't have enough stitches for another repeat. So for a last 2 4 6, last 6 stitch, yarn over, last 6 stitch, yarn over, knit 1 3 times, yarn over, knit 1 1, yarn over, knit 1 2, yarn over, knit 1 3 times, and then one more time, yarn over and SSK, and edge stitch, knit 1. Row 8, last row, purl all stitches. So that's the repeat. We have done one repeat here. Now repeat these 8 rows, row 1 to row 8, over and over again until you reach your desired length. And after your few repeats, your pattern looks like this. So if you like this pattern, please give it a thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel. So I'll see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.